Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of getting the link to a community in X. Whether you want to share a community with friends or access it from another device, we'll show you how to obtain the community link. So, let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Take a moment to launch the app and ensure you're on the home screen. Step 2. Look for the middle icon in the bottom drawer of the app. Give it a tap to access the community section. Step 3. There are two ways to find the community you want to get the link for. You can either tap on the wanted community icon or use the search icon to search for it. Step 4. Once you're in the community, scroll up to reveal more options. Tap on the share icon, which typically looks like an arrow pointing upwards. Step 5. Within the sharing options, locate and tap on Copy Link. This action will copy the community link to your device's clipboard, ready to be shared or accessed as needed. By obtaining the link to a community in X, you can easily share it with friends or access it from another device, without the need for extensive searching. This way, you can enhance collaboration and convenience within your X community experience. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to get the link to a community in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.